Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the charging port on a phone, Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. We start by turning off the phone before beginning the procedure. For this, we need 100% isopropyl alcohol or another alcohol with over 90% concentration, like spirit. Once we have that ready, we also need a brush. The best would be a brush like this. Additionally, it should have long bristles. The bristles should be straight, long and fairly stiff, so that you can reach into the port and clean it thoroughly. We start by moistening the brush we'll be using with alcohol. Then, we gently soak the port with the brush so that the alcohol seeps inside the port. If it's metal like mine, the tip is metal, do not insert it into the port, because it could damage the phone's port. So we simply moisten it only from the outside. If you have a plastic one, like this other one I have here, you can just soak it. And then you can insert the whole brush into the port so that the alcohol gets in there. Now you can simply clean the port with the brush. Clean the port in one direction. Always start to the right, then to the left. Until the port is completely and thoroughly cleaned. Right, left. And if you don't have these kinds of brushes, you can use, as I mentioned, a toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are either soft or medium hard and do it the same way. Dip it thoroughly inside and move it to the side all the way, then to the other side, and then in the opposite direction. Push it all the way to the end and completely over to the far side, so that absolutely everything flows out from both sides of the socket. We really need to repeat this process a dozen or so times to make sure it works as it should. And we're done. Now it's clean. Now the phone needs to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so the remaining alcohol can evaporate from the phone. Before we start using it, because we could get a short circuit or something like that, although alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, but just to be safe, and I think maybe some water didn't get in there or anything, I still recommend waiting those 10 minutes so the alcohol can fully evaporate, and then you can normally connect the phone to the charging port or just use it as usual. Properly. Thank you very much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.